హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, నమస్తే. వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఆర్ఆర్బీ ఇప్పుడు రీసెంట్గా గ్రూప్ డి నోటిఫికేషన్ అయితే రిలీజ్ అయింది కదా, దానికి సంబంధించి జనరల్ సైన్స్ ఎంసీక్యూస్ మీకు షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఒక్క వీడియోలోనే మీకు చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ అయితే మీరు గెయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫ్రీక్వెంట్లీ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్స్ అనమాట మీకైతే ఈ వీడియోలో షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అందులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి, విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఈజ్ ఏ వెక్టర్ క్వాంటిటీ? ఆప్షన్స్: స్పీడ్, డిస్టెన్స్, వెలాసిటీ, వర్క్. The correct answer is velocity. Second question, what is the unit of force in the SI system? Options: joule, Pascal, Newton, Dyne. The correct answer is Newton. Next, third one, sound cannot travel through which medium? Options: solids, liquids, gases, vacuum. The correct answer is vacuum. Next, fourth one, the property of a body to resist any change in its state of motion is called. Options: inertia, momentum, energy, force. The correct answer is inertia. Next, fifth one, which type of lens is used to correct myopia? Options: convex lens, concave lens, cylindrical lens, and the last one, spherical lens. And the correct answer is concave lens. And the sixth one is, what is the chemical name of baking soda? Options: sodium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide. And the correct answer is sodium bicarbonate. The next one, which metal reacts with water to produce hydrogen gas? Options: copper, zinc, sodium, iron. And the correct answer, sodium. The most reactive element in the periodic table is? Options: fluorine, oxygen, hydrogen, carbon. The most reactive element in the periodic table is fluorine. Which polymer is used to make non-stick cookware? Options: PVC, Teflon, nylon, polystyrene. Which polymer is used to make non-stick cookware? The answer, Teflon. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Options: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, helium. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? So the answer, carbon dioxide. Next one, what is the function of red blood cells? Options: carry oxygen, fight infection, clot blood, produce hormones. What is the function of red blood cells? The answer is carrying oxygen. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Options: roots, stem, leaves, flowers. Which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? The answer is leaves. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of iodine? Answers: scurvy, goiter, anemia, rickets. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of iodine? Answer is goiter. Which microorganism is used in the production of alcohol? Options: virus, bacteria, algae, yeast. Which microorganism is used in the production of alcohol? The correct answer is yeast. Next one, what is the study of birds called? Entomology, ornithology, ichthyology, botany. What is the study of birds called? The correct answer, ornithology. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? Options: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Which gas is most abundant in the Earth's atmosphere? So the correct answer is nitrogen. What is the main component of natural gas? Options: methane, ethane, propane, butane. What is the main component of natural gas? So the correct answer is methane. Next one, what is the outermost layer of the earth called? Options: mantle, core, propane, butane. The correct answer is crust. Which planet has the largest number of moons? Options: Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. The correct answer is Jupiter. The energy produced during earthquakes is measured using which instrument? Options: barometer, seismograph, hydrometer, thermometer. The energy produced during earthquakes is measured using which instrument? Answer is seismograph. Which energy conversion occurs in an electric motor? Options: electrical to mechanical, mechanical to electrical, chemical to electrical, electrical to chemical. Which energy conversion occurs in an electric motor? The correct answer is electrical to mechanical. The next one, the phenomenon of raising water in a narrow tube is called. Options: viscosity, capillary action, adhesion, surface tension. The phenomenon of raising water in a narrow tube is called capillary action. What is the time period of a pendulum dependent on? Options: mass of the bob, length of the string, amplitude of swing, acceleration due to gravity. What is the time period of a pendulum dependent on? Length of the string. Which compound is commonly known as table salt? Options: sodium chloride, potassium chloride, magnesium sulfate, calcium carbonate. Which compound is commonly known as table salt? The correct answer is sodium chloride. The next one, which acid is present in vinegar? Options: tartaric acid, acetic acid, oxalic acid, hydrochloric acid. Which acid is present in vinegar? The correct answer is acetic acid. What is the common name of CaO? Options: lime water, quicklime, slaked lime, limestone. What is the common name of CaO? The correct answer is quicklime. What is the SI unit of electric current? Options: volt, ohm, ampere, watt. What is the SI unit of electric current? The correct answer is ampere. Next one, what type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? Options: kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, chemical energy. What type of energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? The correct answer is potential energy. The next one, what is the frequency of AC supply in India? Options: 50 Hz, 60 Hz, 120 Hz, 100 Hz. What is the frequency of AC supply in India? The correct answer is 50 Hz. The last question, what does a convex lens do to light rays? Diverges them, converges them, reflects them, and absorbs them. What does a convex lens do to light rays? The correct answer is converges them. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ఛానల్ అయితే తప్పకుండా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ ఆర్ఆర్బికి సంబంధించి గ్రూప్ డి నోటిఫికేషన్ రిలీజ్ అయింది కదా, దానిలో జనరల్ సైన్స్ సంబంధించి 30 బిట్స్. సో తప్పకుండా లైక్ చేయండి.